So me I say, you know what? I don't need you as my best friend no more. It's about Princezach and I'm back in the place now the video for today we're promoting health and safety as if people wear masks, don't wear mask, you know. So in this video I'm gonna show my best friend and say, yo, I do this prank, I don't know what happened to her, she could probably have a mind meltdown, tell her like the truth, probably, I don't know. I show her up and say, yo, I don't need her as best friend no more, like, we just had to say it like that, isn't it? It was like, she must be like you fucking head. Most like that, I was saying, I must really or something. I probably not hear the words them of be a beeping over and that's probably I don't know. So I'm open enjoy, like, share and subscribe. I don't know anything as it cause more video phone and like me tell people, me have this that's one of my face because be a rash all over my face and a rash up with it. I'm pump. I don't like pumping up. Just don't like freaking bump here. Oh my god, yeah. Put up a massive myself. So yeah. Like, share, subscribe, guys. I'm an orange shirt, my chain. I'm my friend, my best friend. Stop, you know. Put the name on it, mother probably chat me on it. So, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, you me talk, subscribe, see you big up on this. Want to check out my other videos in this channel, and subscribe. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Females, I'm good in here, I don't know, I think I see two bars of females, then good. So yeah, people, me I show her up and now I don't know if she can answer. Won't she answer? Yo! What go on? How you sound so? Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
You sound sick still though.
No, it's like I'm gonna take the feeling. My body don't stop shit.
She sick from this or this. Well, I'm come to tell her still though. You hear me?
No, here.
You want, I say what you want here?
Yeah,
It probably affect you, you know. It probably affect you.
Oh.
No, me just say it probably affect you. Yeah, I want a friend know it will affect you, probably not, me don't know. Depends on where you take it. So, what day I think to myself, yeah man. Me I chat and it's like say, yeah move shake here, yeah move lame up here, see me? So me I say, you know what? I don't need you as my best friend no more. Yo.
Yeah.
What you say? You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You're not someone alright. Don't you know ball no?
I'm not going for.
Ah, yes. Look, you sit now, I may just come tell you that out I blue.
I'm not crying.
You're vexed.
Not really.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me just come to tell you still now, you see? I won't be best friend no more. I joke. Yo. Yeah, I joke. Me couldn't be. But I try to prank you still. Me say me that. Me I try to prank you but still. You never go good. There's me something I say, yo. We couldn't be because we know you're sick right now. I couldn't do that to you right now. 2 minutes? Yeah, I'm good with that. I make some video. Make some video.
When you make a YouTube video, when you put them up?
I don't know, I'm gonna put them up. Just post them till they run out and then make and then me post them more consistently content for the people that me see me.
Oh. You go school today?
No, some don't go school today. Go school today. So there's you have it, people. She's sick so she can't be as strong towards me, you see me? But if she never sick, I'll probably hear a lot of words. So you see me? So I'm hoping to enjoy the short clip about me. So yeah, people, when I see video of me with my best friend a while ago, she was sick and I couldn't get the prank call to the max of her prank. You know, I do my prank and go to the max. So let's just put in something at the end, make the short is going to be a very short prank. I'm hoping to enjoy it and comment on it. But don't know me have what more prank phone you see people, but she's sick and I don't want she never sick, I tell her like a truth and that's her reaction. I can prank her enough time off camera without doing camera video, you know. I prank her and say, yo, one more sit and she was like, nigga, stop. I was like, oh, I sit man, but she just sit now, she does squat, you see me? Because when you go down in prank here, I ain't like hang up before in the ears, you know. She had to know. Ain't me like hang up before in the ears, that she that ever. So I'm hoping to enjoy like a short piece there. If you know for more prank with her, you see me, just comment down, prank more with the best friend and things you see. But don't know what the people. I circle back with the prank call and prank Kyle Money Living, so I'm going to plan that one video. I'll come up with him soon after this post, you see me. Yeah.
Let's get it. I'm a shooter, I'ma shoot ya. Cut blocks cause I'm around with the Ruger. Headshot on you, bust your medulla. Everybody in the trunk like a booster.